Ang ganda na to.
Do you think that you've met your true self yet, or are you still figuring it out?
Ako muna.
Galing mo
I believe na hindi ko, oh, I'm still figuring out myself kasi, parang feeling ko, kahit ganito na yung age ko, feeling ko bata pa rin ako. Feeling ko ang dami ko pa rin dapat i-explore. Feeling ko, wala pa ako sa self-actualization. Ayun.
Wow!
Hindi
Self-actualization.
ko pa siya naaabot. So, feeling ko, I'm still figuring out, need ko pang mag-explore, need ko pang kumilala ng ibang tao in a way na makakapag-contribute sa growth ko, ganyan. Ayun. Ayun yung sagot ko. I'm still figuring it out.
Ako muna. Si Ryan nag-iisip pa na agad. Yeah, meron na ako. Ay, si Ryan kanina. Meron na ako. Ayan. Naka-ano siya talaga. Naka-flow stage. Ayan. Do you think you've met your true self yet? Or are you still figuring them out? To be honest, I am still figuring myself out. Yes, to be honest, yes, I have improved throughout the years. Like, imaginein mo, dati ayoko sa stage, ayokong ipahiwati yung sarili ko. I don't want to present myself anywhere. But look, hi, I'm now presenting my... Di ba? Nasa Thespian Society ako. Shout out sa Thespian Society, by the way. I've been like being open to most of the people that I have been with. I've been become or like I've become more like myself, and I do feel like that I have known myself more than before. But is it the final stage? Ayun na ba yung parang pinaka ano ko, yung pinaka final final form ko? No, not yet. I do believe that it's coming soon, but well, for now, I am enjoying myself right now. But I am looking forward for growth, ganon. Yun lang. Di pa naman sa final form. Wala pa naman yung, parang kay Luffy, yung gano'n. Wala pa naman dun. But I am enjoying myself right now and I'm content with who I am right now. Ayun. Okay, pass to Papa Ryan.
I think in, I think that's the ano na lang rin.
Conclusion part na siya.
Conclusion na ako. Ganun lang rin yung ano ko, sagot ko. Kasi tawag dito, I'm just a, ano pa lang naman, nandun pa lang tayo sa stage na like, early adulthood ba yan?
Yeah.
Early adulthood is, andun pa yung point na nag-explore pa. So, hindi ko pa alam sa sarili kung sino ba ako. And syempre, nandun na si self na energetic. Nandun na siya, syempre. Hindi na mawawala yan hanggang pagtanda ko na yan. Syempre, diba? Pero I want to explore more pa. I want to know myself more. Like that. Yun lang.
Ito, do you think you've been shaped more by love or by pain?
Oh, lalim.
I believe both. I believe that I have been shaped by both love and by pain. I did state it earlier that in my earlier years as a child, it was hard, right? Like I've been told off, etc. etc. Like yung parang basta ganun. And it's not just about control. It's also about that insecurity, like that feeling that you're hurting yourself because of the things that you're feeling inside that you can't express to others. That feeling of regret and many more. But at the same time, I have met many people and ayun, I have met many people who taught me the meaning of love and how to love myself. Diba? Because ayun, you can't just shape yourself with pain and love or with pain or love. Your growth isn't defined by just pain or by just love. It's sometimes a two-way street. Sometimes you need both to really grow as a person. Maybe sometimes you need to feel more pain than love, and maybe sometimes you need more love than pain. But in the end, I can truly say for sure that yes, I have grown with both love and with pain as well. Ay, ayan. May sasagot ba kayo? Over. O sige, kayo naman. Pero hindi ako sasagot. Para fair.
Ato, meron ako ng ano. Ewan ko, gusto ko lang siyang sagutin.
Ano, is it
What's worse? Being feared or being
Being feared is like, ano, di ba?
being fair like takot ako sa'yo? Or or would you rather? Oo. Like would you rather like be ignored like gino-ghost ka, ganon. Tinatarayan ka lang. Pero pag oo, pero pag or would you rather be feared, ganon like takot sila sa'yo. Ayan, okay. Wala akong masagot kaya kayo muna.
Go, go, go.
I believe, tawag dito, for me, being ignored. Kasi, doon mo na may feel na like, hindi ka na hindi mo na na-feel na valued ka, value, na you're worth it, ganon. Kasi, being ignored, hindi mo na kasi mapapatunayan sa sarili at sa iba na kung sino ka talaga, ganon. Kasi, in-ignored lang nila eh, ganon. Walang pinagkaiba sa being alone kahit may kasama ka, ganon. Pero, in-ignored ka lang, ganon. Yun lang.
Ako being feared. Kasi siguro kung past self ko yung sasagot, siguro ang sasagutin niya is being ignored. Kasi first of all, gusto niya ng words of affirmation. Gusto niya ng, oo, yes, yeah. Gusto niya yung, yung pinapansin siya, gusto niya yung, Pero ngayon, ayoko ng, na kinakatakutan ako. Kasi, gusto ko ng gusto ko ng mga circle, gusto ko ng friends. Kahit, hindi ko sila kinakausap minsan, pero gusto ko ng, ewan ko, hindi na ako independent, guys. Parang naging dependent na ako sa Parang gusto ko laging may kasama, ganyan. Ayoko nung kinakatakutan ako. Yun kasi yung inaano nila sa akin eh. Sinasabi nila sa akin, kaya walang nag-a-approach sa akin nung younger years, siguro. Nung high school, ganyan. Kasi nga natatakot sila sa akin. Like, pag hindi ako nakangiti or like, nakarest lang yung face ko, hindi nila ako nilalapitan unless lalapitan ko sila. Ganun. Pero tapos, kaya ngayon, being feared, ayun talaga yung pinaka worst. Ngayon sa akin. Insights lang namin to guys, don't judge us.
Yeah. So, it's only a podcast, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much sa pagpunood sa ating video. And maraming salamat. And I miss you all, guys. Thank you so much. And sa laging pag-support sa aking channel, I'm so sorry dahil hindi po ako nakakapag-post dahil super busy kami. Busy kami mga And, pero, maraming ginagawa. Mahirap maging teacher. Ay, teacher. Ganun. Yeah. Nakapasok tayo dito, so go na yun. Diba? Diba? So, thank you so much, guys. Bye muna, guys. Thank you so much.